In the ever-evolving landscape of TikTok trends, few have been as simultaneously hilarious and thought-provoking as the conservative girl makeup trend. This satirical phenomenon, the brainchild of comedian Suzanne Lambert, has taken the platform by storm, sparking conversations about beauty standards, political affiliation, and the power of online satire. Lambert's now iconic video, aptly titled "Doing My Makeup Like the Gorg MAGA Girlies," became an instant sensation, racking up millions of views and inspiring countless others to participate. The trend's popularity lies in its clever skewering of a particular makeup style often associated with conservative female political figures. By exaggerating these aesthetic choices, Lambert holds a mirror up to society, forcing us to confront the often unspoken assumptions we make about appearance and political leaning. The trend's virality is a testament to the power of humor to ignite important cultural dialogues. The conservative girl trend didn't emerge in a vacuum. It arrived in the wake of the tumultuous 2024 U.S. presidential election, a period marked by heightened political polarization. This context is crucial to understanding the trend's resonance. In a post-election landscape still grappling with division, Lambert's satirical take on conservative aesthetics tapped into a wellspring of societal anxieties and frustrations. The trend's timing, coupled with its clever execution, transformed it from a simple makeup tutorial into a cultural phenomenon. By using humor as a tool for social commentary, Lambert sparked a conversation that extends far beyond the realm of beauty trends. The conservative girl makeup look is instantly recognizable, a caricature of a particular aesthetic that has become synonymous with a certain segment of conservative women. The foundation, often applied haphazardly by hand, is several shades too light, creating a stark contrast with the wearer's natural skin tone. This is then accentuated by a thick layer of too light concealer, further emphasizing the artificiality of the look. Eyebrows are meticulously overlined and heavily filled, creating an almost cartoonish severity. This is juxtaposed with a heavy-handed application of bright coral blush, swept generously across the cheekbones and often extending up towards the temples. The eyes are a study in dramatic contrasts, featuring a stark white eyeshadow base paired with a heavily blended, smoky outer corner. Thick black eyeliner frames the eyes, often with a dramatic wing, and lashes are coated in clumpy mascara. The lips are kept matte and neutral, completing the look. The overall effect is one of exaggerated femininity, bordering on caricature. It's a look that's simultaneously overdone and dated, reminiscent of a bygone era of beauty standards. This meticulously crafted aesthetic is further enhanced by the trend's signature accessories and soundtracks. Flower crowns, often seen as symbols of innocence and purity, are worn with an ironic twist, adding to the satirical nature of the trend. The music choices are equally deliberate, with songs like Gretchen Wilson's Redneck Woman and Ray Lynn's God Made Girls further emphasizing the gender stereotypes the trend aims to satirize. The conservative girl look is not about enhancing natural beauty. It's about constructing an artificial facade that adheres to a specific set of aesthetic ideals. It's a look that speaks volumes about conformity, tradition, and the pressure on women to conform to certain standards. The conservative girl trend's immense popularity stems from its ability to transcend the superficiality of a makeup tutorial and delve into deeper societal issues. At its core, the trend is a biting commentary on the perceived homogeneity of conservative women's appearances, particularly those in the public eye. The exaggerated makeup, the specific song choices, the ironic use of flower crowns, all these elements coalesce to create a satirical critique of the expectations and stereotypes placed upon women within certain political spheres. The trend's humor, while sharp and often biting, is rooted in a place of social commentary. By highlighting and exaggerating these aesthetic signifiers, Lambert and those who participate in the trend are sparking a conversation about the ways in which women's appearances are often politicized. The trend asks us to consider why certain looks are associated with particular political ideologies and the broader implications of these associations. Furthermore, the trend throws light on the power dynamics at play when it comes to beauty standards. By adopting and exaggerating a look often associated with a position of power, participants are reclaiming the narrative and subverting expectations. The conservative girl trend, in its own satirical way, becomes a form of resistance, a way to challenge the status quo and spark a dialogue about the relationship between appearance and political identity. The trend's impact extends beyond the digital realm. It has permeated mainstream media, with articles and think pieces dissecting its cultural and political implications. This crossover from online trend to mainstream discourse underscores the power of social media as a tool for social commentary and its ability to shape broader cultural conversations.